Hi there guys, I'm Hannah, I'm the other half of this channel, and I just thought I'd say a quick introduction. I cosplay a lot like Izzy. I'm mostly a portal and video game cosplayer rather than like a comic book cosplayer, which is what Izzy is. Now, from a perspective of a cosplayer, I don't spend a lot of time designing my products. So for the companion cube and GLaDOS, which I did, I pretty much just made it up as I went, which unfortunately at the time was a good idea, but now that I look back on it, I could have done so much more if I had planned it out. So I just thought I'd give you a quick tutorial on how I plan all my cosplays from now on.
One of the most important parts about designing something is especially to go back and look at the source material. If I was going to redesign my companion cube cosplay, I'd have a good look back at the companion cube itself. I look for the shapes that I can see and the colors. So if you notice, it's a lot more regimented, squares and only a few circles. If I was going to look at the colors, there's only three main colors: the light pink, the light silver, and then the dark gray. So I'd be looking at these colors especially with how I'm going to emulate that on a material. Do I want the shiny material or do I want it just a plain cotton? The next thing you have to do is select a pattern. My favorite website to go onto this is for Simplicity because I have 4 different ranges that are offered in Australia. Pick your favorite pattern from the designs that are available, but also think practical and logical about how you're going to make this and how you're going to emulate what you think you're going to make. While selecting a pattern, make sure you keep in the design styles that you've seen in the shapes of the original companion cube or the item that you've selected. After selecting a pattern, you need to design it. Looking in the back of the pattern, there should be a design there. Okay, it should be in black and white. After then print screening it, you can put it onto Photoshop or print it out and then color and design how you please. Okay, so here's one that I designed for my companion cube cosplay if I was going back to do it again. I decided on much more of a classical look with the silver and the grey predominantly taking over with only a small amount of pink. I've altered the pattern in order to suit more cufflinks and decided that instead of buttons, I'd like to make them a little bit more customizable by making them out of clay or just plastic buttons into the shapes of companion cubes. I've also decided to use a silver wig, probably with boots with these for shoes, and maybe have my companion cube headband on, or if I don't want to do that, I could also make a top hat with just the companion cube style colours.
Okay, so now that you've finished designing, you can redo this design until you find something you like. So currently I'm in the design process of my next cosplay. I actually have 2 at the moment going. I haven't finished them at all. I've just started designing them. So currently I'm in this process. I've probably altered my new cosplay about 8 times before I'm actually really happy with the design. So just keep practicing. Excuse my poor Photoshop and my really bad sketching skills. But basically that's what I've been doing for the last few days, and I really wish you good luck. If you want to use my companion cube design or something similar to that, you're welcome to use it. It's just free. It doesn't really bother me if you use it or not. Okay, we'll see you later guys.